In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the Grammarly AI Writing Assistant. Whether you're working on a new project, editing your masterpiece, or simply trying to refine your emails, enabling this tool can make a significant difference. Let's dive right in to ensure you're making the most out of Grammarly's AI features. First, you'll want to ensure that you're in the right environment to access Grammarly efficiently. Open up Google Docs or your preferred web browser. Grammarly integrates seamlessly with these platforms, particularly if you have the Grammarly extension installed. This setup will allow you to use Grammarly's AI capabilities smoothly. Next, you'll need to locate the Grammarly icon on your screen. It's usually a small circular icon with a G inside, often residing in the bottom right corner of your document or your browser's toolbar. If you haven't added Grammarly to your browser yet, it might be a great time to download it as it enhances your writing through real-time suggestions and corrections. Once you've found the Grammarly icon, click on it to open the options. You should see a variety of features there. Among these options, look for the light bulb icon. Clicking this light bulb will take you into the AI Writing Assistant mode, offering a host of creative suggestions to improve your text. This feature is incredibly useful when you're trying to brainstorm ideas or fine-tune the tone of your writing. Now it's time to write a prompt. This is where the magic happens. Type in what you'd like assistance with, whether you're asking for help in drafting a speech, writing an article, or creating engaging social media content. Inputting a clear prompt helps the AI generate relevant suggestions that meet your needs. Alternatively, if you prefer navigating through browser settings, you can access these features through your extensions. Open your browser's extensions menu, find Grammarly, and click on it. Here you'll see options related to its functionality and settings. Finally, you want to ensure all generative AI toggles are enabled. Within the Grammarly settings, locate the section that allows you to turn on all AI features and toggles. This step is critical to accessing full capabilities like tone adjustments and intelligent suggestions. Make sure each toggle is set to on to optimize your usage of Grammarly's AI assistant. With these steps, you are now ready to unleash the full potential of Grammarly's AI Writing Assistant. This powerful tool can help you become more effective and efficient in your writing endeavors. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring the enhanced capabilities of your